everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Isibaya from the 7th to the 11th of December 2020 on Monday. Ntwente and Dabula can't reach a consensus on Sihle being at Emarundwin. Mabui and Cesar finally face off. Fenyang's plan to teach Mpihlangene a lesson takes a turn for the worst on Tuesday. The world is rocked by the news of a tragic shooting. Ntwente is determined to ice Sihle out and Cesar is determined to win her man. On Wednesday, Mkabayi finds Fenyang by Melusi's bedside and she blames him for everything. Kapela confronts Saddam about the new taxis on Thursday. Dabula walks straight into Sihle's trap. Fenyang guilty grows as Melusi remains in a critical condition. Sibongile's drunken downward spiral continues, and Saddam put his foot down with Lillian on Friday. Fezile worried about Sibongile's downward spiral. Ntwente catches Dabula red-handed. Pumelele received devastating news. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thought. Bye.